Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Judith Matamis. I'm 28 years old. I live in Santa Maria, Laguna.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, ma'am. I have two sons, both boys.
Both boys. How old is your youngest child?
1 year and 6 months.
6 months. And what did you finish?
High school graduate.
Okay. Just in case we have employer for you right now, and they will ask a favor on you that you will not going to take your day off for a week or even for a month due to some hectic schedule of their work. Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
I work as a housemaid and a babysitter when I was 16 years old in Pasig City for 2 years.
2 years. Aside from working as a babysitter and at the same time as a housemaid, did you also do the cleaning, the washing?
Yes, ma'am.
All around?
All around, ma'am.
Okay. Are you an ex abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So your experience is local only.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle taking care of a naughty children?
Yes, ma'am. Because my son is very, very naughty.
Okay. Do you know some children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children, little children, little children wants to play.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of foods can you cook?
I cook Filipino dishes. And like adobo, sinigang, caldereta,
Aside
and
from that,
sweets.
how about Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm willing to learn.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, ma'am, so that I can communicate to them easily.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. As I said, ma'am, I'm a mother too.
Okay, you are a mother of two kids, both boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the big salary and I want to provide my family and
Financially.
to have a better life.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, if you choose me, I will do my very best to meet your expectations, and I'm obedient, I'm honest, and you can trust me because I really want to work for the sake of my family.
Can you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.